First of all, I just want to think about effective communication and what it actually means. So when we're at work, when we're in our workplace, communication could come in the form of exchanging ideas, whether it's with colleagues, whether it's with employers, whether it's with students. We might be having different thoughts about scenarios, different thoughts and feelings about things. We might need to communicate information to different audiences. It's important to think about how we do that and what's the best format to do that. And obviously, as teachers, as leaders, we are on a daily basis communicating our knowledge and helping develop everybody else's knowledge as well. We want to make our communication as effective as possible so that our messages are received and that they're understood, but they're understood with clarity and with purpose, but without causing upset, causing miscommunication. And that's what I want us to be thinking about today.